Welcome. If you're looking to permanently delete your Telegram channel for all subscribers, you're in the right place. Whether you're moving on to new projects or simply want to clean up your Telegram presence, I'll guide you through the updated steps to ensure your channel is removed from everyone's list. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that owns the channel you want to delete. Only channel owners and admins with the right permissions can perform this action. Next, find and open your channel from the chat list. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and tap on the channel's name or display photo. This will take you to the channel's profile and settings page. Now, look for the edit icon, which usually appears as a pencil in the top right corner. Tap on this icon to enter the channel's editing options. Scroll down through the settings until you find the option labeled Delete Channel. Tap on it. At this point, Telegram will ask you to confirm your decision. You'll see an option that says Delete for all subscribers. Make sure to check mark or select this option. This is crucial. Choosing this ensures that your channel and all its content will be removed not just for you, but for every subscriber as well. After you've selected Delete for all subscribers, Telegram will prompt you to confirm one last time. Tap Delete Channel to finalize your decision. There may be a brief countdown or an undo option, but once confirmed, your channel will be permanently deleted for everyone. And that's it. Your Telegram channel is now completely deleted for all subscribers. They'll no longer have access to the channel or its content. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so be absolutely sure before proceeding. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, check out our other tutorials for more Telegram tips and tricks.